All eyes on the top court as it is set to pronounce the order on a plea to stay its August 11 direction to permanently relocate stray dogs from streets to shelters in Delhi NCR. Now, a three-judge special bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta and N.V. Anjaria had on August 14th reserved its order in the matter. Earlier, a two-judge bench of the Apex Court had passed a slew of directions, including ordering the authorities in Delhi NCR to start picking up stray dogs from all localities and relocate the canines to dog shelters. Post which, widespread protests were reported across the country, with animal activists and celebrities urging the court to show compassion for the voiceless. In fact, what will be it? Shelters or streets for these strays? That is what we are all awaiting an answer for as the day progresses and the top court comes out with its order yet again. And now, as we speak, Anisha Mathur is joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this very story. Anisha, very good morning to you. Let's understand at this given point what has happened so far in the courts. And another big aspect I would want to highlight here is the fact that there has been a clear lack of sterilization as well, which has led to this problem in the first place, which we've all been flagging. Why is there that there's no action being taken against the sterilization body, the body which was supposed, the animal birth control body, which is supposed to have, in fact, ensured the sterilization drives to have taken place?
To answer that question of yours, there is the responsibility for sterilization lies with the municipal authorities, that is the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and whichever NGOs that they have enrolled for this task, and that is in Delhi. Anywhere else, again, the Municipal Corporation in charge of that particular area is also in charge of ensuring that enough shelters are created, that enough vans are there, that trained personnel are there to catch and sterilize dogs and put them back, to ensure that any rabid dogs are taken care of, any injured or ill dogs are taken to these shelters and then treated there so that they do not get aggressive and attack any person. That is what the animal birth control rules say. And even the Supreme Court, whether it was the bench that passed the order to catch all the strays or the three-judge bench that is expected to pass its order today, both benches have clearly said that the authorities have failed in their task. They have not rounded up the dogs, they have not sterilized the dogs, they have not even set up the shelters that are required. And that is where today's verdict comes in, and it's going to be very, very crucial for both animal lovers and people who are scared of these stray dogs. The animal birth control rules clearly say that stray dogs must be picked up, sterilized and put back to where they were picked up from. None of these 3 points have been acted upon by the authorities so far. That is why the court had initially taken suo motu cognizance and passed this very harsh order to round up all the strays and put them in the shelters and not release them back. Now the issue today is what the three-judge bench is going to say with regard to the order passed by the two-judge bench. First of all, the issue being that there are no shelters. The court had said create shelters for at least 5,000 dogs within the next 6 weeks. The question is, do we have the land? Do we have the money? Do we have the people concerned that will take care of the dogs or run these shelters? The simple answer to that is at the moment, no, we do not. The second point is also the rule specifically says that you cannot keep the dogs inside these shelters. You have to put them back where you pick them up from. So, but with the court order saying that no, you do not release the dogs, this three-judge bench will have to now balance the rule, what the law says, with what the court's concern is that children in particular, should not be attacked by stray dogs. So today's verdict is going to be very, very crucial to balance the rights, to ensure that children are not put at risk, and also the rights of these dogs are protected, because it is ultimately human failure, the authorities' failure to do their job, that sterilizations have not happened. The MCD claims 7 lakh sterilizations have happened. That is the data that they've given. At the same time, 37,000 dog bites across the country, 54 deaths due to rabies across the countries. That is the data for 2024. So the ultimate question before the court is, what does the law say? How do you balance the rights? How do you protect children? And that is where today's judgment becomes very crucial. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, thank you for, in fact, bringing us all those elaborate details with what has happened so far and why the order is so crucial that we are, in fact, keeping a tab on.